What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the crypto market. We have a red day here in the market. Bitcoin is tanking and took the whole crypto market with it. Guys, you can see my previous video right here. I told you Bitcoin and Ethereum signs of a market crash. I talked about a market crash and look at it. We have that the whole market is crashing. But in this video we'll be looking at the positive side of everything that is happening. The sentiment in the market is actually extreme fear. People are actually fearful. We'll be looking at Bitcoin price chart. We'll be looking at Ethereum price chart. We'll also be taking a look at some of the altcoins we have been following on this channel. I'll be showing you what is to happen at this point of the cycle when it looks as if Bitcoin is tanking. We'll be taking a look at Zcash and Nano. Also taking a look at EOS, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, Walton Chain, Walton Chain, XRP, Aeon, basically all the altcoins we've been following on this channel. We'll be taking a look at where they are and what's our next step. We're talking about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So kicking off today's video, guys, we have a red day in the market as usual. If Bitcoin tanks, the whole market follows Bitcoin to tank. Now Bitcoin right here is at 5%. You can see that most of these altcoins have double-digit losses already. So anytime Bitcoin is crashing, the whole market follows it. Now you can see that the sentiment here is in extreme fear. I want to bring this to your notice, guys. We're in extreme fear for like 3 months period, and then on the 4th of February we started going out of extreme fear. We started just going to normal fear. We even actually got to the point where the sentiment in the market was neutral. It was neutral for a point in time. People are shouting back to the moon, back to the moon, and left to me, in my own belief, I just think we're coming back to just extreme fear. Now let's go to the price chart and see what that looks like. When extreme fear throughout all this crashed in Bitcoin, when Bitcoin was crashing from 69,000 down to 33,000, our Bitcoin crashed when extreme fear, and this little push that we had here that took us to 45k, the market went to neutral. So what I think right here is happening right here is that Bitcoin is coming back to test this low. And guys, you can see right here, I put this on my Twitter. Yesterday, just before the crash happened. Bitcoin was still at 38,000, even got as high as 39,000. The question I asked is 36,000 when? Because I expected Bitcoin to come back to test this region right here, and that's why I put these 2 yellow lines. You can see, guys, right here that Bitcoin on Q is actually coming towards their yellow line. I expect Bitcoin to find its bottom in this region. I don't know where, but I expect Bitcoin to find its bottom in this region. If it will not find its bottom in this region, it might just cross 32,000, but I highly doubt that. I think Bitcoin will find its bottom here, and because too many people are calling for us to go lower, that's why we go up. So all people that are selling their coins right now actually just capitulating. They just feel like, you know what, and that last pump was an exit pump, it was a trap, yada yada yada. Yes, I believe that last pump was a trap, but that was a bull trap. Not for Bitcoin though. For the other altcoins, for Bitcoin, I believe Bitcoin is in the bear market, and we're expecting Bitcoin to retrace. I want to show you guys what happened in previous bull run, the end of previous bull run for Bitcoin. Now this was the top of Bitcoin in 2018 when Bitcoin topped at almost $20,000. You can see that Bitcoin had that first mad crash that everybody knew that, oh, something is actually wrong right here. Bitcoin crashed almost 39% or 40% on some exchanges. Then Bitcoin had an ABC correction back to the 702. You can see right here, it first had a pump, then it came back as if it was dumping, and I'm sure people at that point in time would have been shouting, oh, Bitcoin is dumping. Then it had a pump to the 6 Fibonacci extension tool. This is Fibonacci extension tool I'm using right here. It went to the 0.618. Then it came back to test the lows again before it went to 702 retracement, and boom, that was the end of the bull run. Bitcoin just continued crashing. Now if we have that same scenario happening right here of what I just showed you guys happen in the top of Bitcoin in 2017, 2018, I know that history doesn't repeat itself, but they say history always rhymes. Is that from this region right here, if Bitcoin finds the bottom right here, we're going to push. We might come towards this 55k. We'll probably reject 55k because of 55k or less than 55k, 52k to 55k region. If we're following what happened in 2017, 2018, and then we'll come back to test this 30-something-k region, and then Bitcoin will go for the final push into the 58k, 60k region. And guys, it's when all this is happening, when Bitcoin is having this dance of going to 55k to 58k, is when I believe Altseason will happen. Now I'm very optimistic anytime I see the whole crypto market crashing, because the history has shown time and time again, if you buy the blood, guess what happened? When the green time comes, you'll be in profit. That's just the way it works. But our human emotions just tricks us all the time. We always want to buy green candles and we always want to sell red candles. I just don't know why, even though we can see from the charts that always it doesn't work out that way. I want to show you what happened before Bitcoin actually crashed in 2021 after I had that monster run from almost $4,000 straight to $69,000. Let's use the Fibonacci extension tool. I want to show you what happened with Bitcoin right here. You can see that Bitcoin actually had that first low. It had a small pop-up, came back to test the low, and Bitcoin found a way to retrace almost to the 702 retracement before Bitcoin went down for that mini bear market. And I believe that's exactly what's happening right here for Bitcoin. I believe we're going to see higher prices in Bitcoin. I don't believe Bitcoin will break a new all-time high, but you can see Ethereum too. Ethereum too is almost the same place with Bitcoin. I believe Ethereum has stopped. Some people believe Ethereum is going to get $5,000. That's more reason why I believe it won't get $5,000. I believe the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. Right now, Ethereum is going for just above $2,500, and Bitcoin, at the point of recording of this video, guys, is going for $37,000. It has been flirting with $36,000. I expect it to probably come to like $36,000 or $35,900 in that region before we retrace. Now, we'll be talking about a lot of these altcoins, but first, let's look at the total crypto market cap. Something important is happening right there. Something is giving me so much hope that we're going to see Altseason, and I want to be showing you guys in the crypto total market cap. Now, this is the market cap of all of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the coins you have. Now, you can see right here in May 2021, when we actually topped, the total crypto market cap set a new all-time high. But something important happened. When we came back here in September, when Bitcoin had that El Salvador day, everybody was trying to buy $30 worth of Bitcoin to push the price up. You could see that it almost got to its all-time high. This is very important. I'll show you another chart. So this date is very important, 7th of September. It almost got to its all-time high right here. It couldn't pass it. But when we went to 69K, when Bitcoin went to 69K, the whole of crypto went to a new all-time high of almost 3 trillion. On some exchanges, it actually got to $3 trillion. And since then, we have been crashing. Now, I believe the total crypto market cap is going to set a new all-time high. But I believe Bitcoin and Ethereum, that forms over 60% of the total crypto market cap, will not form a new all-time high. Why do I believe this? Altseason is coming, and a lot of these coins that have been lagging are going to run. And guys, right here, this is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, if you add all of crypto minus Bitcoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum collects over 60% of the market, you can see that the total crypto market cap right here is at $1.6 trillion, but the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum is at just $600 billion. So Bitcoin and Ethereum accounting for almost $1 billion. Right here, I believe this chart is going to set a new all-time high. You can see here in March or in May 2021, when Bitcoin got to 64,000, we set a new all-time high here before we crashed with Bitcoin. Now, when we went to El Salvador Day, the one I showed you in the previous chart, on the 7th of May, you can see right here that this chart actually came and touched its previous all-time high. Even though Bitcoin didn't get to 64K, Bitcoin actually got to just 53K at this region where the total crypto market cap was here, 2.4 trillion. But the total crypto market cap of all of crypto minus Bitcoin and Ethereum came back to touch its all-time high. That's if you remove Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now, when Bitcoin got to 69,000, as usual, the total crypto market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum set a new all-time high too. So now I believe this chart is going to set another new all-time high, but since it's not containing Bitcoin and Ethereum, I believe it set a new all-time high, but Bitcoin and Ethereum won't see a new all-time high. Now, if this chart is going to show us a new all-time high, we're expecting the total crypto market cap of all of crypto minus Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is currently at $627 billion, to get to almost $1.5 trillion. That's when Altseason will happen. Everything will start going crazy. You start hearing crazy valuations for all these altcoins, but that's when I'll be taking a lot of profit, because Fibonacci extension tools, guys, these things work so very powerful. I just showed you right here. This is total crypto market cap. This is total crypto market cap for Bitcoin. You can see how Bitcoin got to the top right here. It got rejected pretty hard. So if that same thing is going to happen for all of crypto minus Bitcoin and Ethereum, that means we'll get to almost $1.5 trillion, and then we'll be rejected pretty hard. Now, let's check a lot of these altcoins we have been following. This Zcash right here, many people might not see reasons why to buy these altcoins. People will say, oh, altcoins are bleeding, Bitcoin is bleeding, and altcoins are bleeding with them. But you can see right here that Zcash is at support. Zcash is basically where it was almost at the July lows, and almost where it was just January 28 when the market was extreme fear. So there's nothing surprising with Zcash. If there's anything, Zcash is actually at a higher price, because Zcash was actually at $84 when it crashed in January 2028 and on July 2021. if there's anything, Zcash is actually almost at the same region where it was when it crashed. So Zcash has not broken any structure. You can still expect higher prices in Zcash, guys. I'm expecting Zcash to go to over $1,000. That's where I'll be taking my profits on Zcash. On Nano, we almost have the same thing, but Nano right here is a very, very peculiar case because Nano has set a new all-time low from the last 1 year. Before, the all-time low for Nano was 3.1. That was the bottom when Nano found its bottom in 2021 June, when the whole market bottom, Bitcoin got to 29k. But right now, Nano is currently trading for less than $2. Nano is one of those altcoins I'm actually accumulating, guys, because I believe when the when the alt season comes, Nano is one of those coins that is going to go to the moon. Like, you can see this red candle right here. A lot of people sold their coins right here at this exact price point when Nano was almost at $2. You can see we have this volume right here. That's a lot of people sold their coins. The question I ask myself is, who are those people selling their coins? Were they whales? Whales don't sell into capitulation. Whales are the ones that sell at the top right here. They're the ones that have been accumulating for a long time. So I believe it was retail investors that are capitulating right here that were selling their coins, and in some time in the nearest future we're going to see increased prices in Nano. Now the next coin we'll be talking about, guys, is EOS. That's another coin we've been talking about on this channel. EOS is at the price point where it was in March 2020 when the COVID-19 sell-off happened. EOS has gotten as far back as that region. So in case you miss EOS, you couldn't buy EOS at that price point, you are like, oh, I wish I could buy EOS at that price point when EOS got to almost $17. Now is your chance to buy EOS. This is just like buying Bitcoin at $4,000 at this price point on March 16, 2020, March 17, 2020. Bitcoin was around less than $5,000. If you had bought EOS then, before May 2021, you'd have made almost 700% gain, and that's what you stand to gain right here if EOS goes back to its previous high that it just set in May 2021. You stand to gain over 600%. Guys, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before you buy all these coins. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing in the chart right now. Yes, before the chart always pumps, it always looks very bearish. It looks as if everything is going to zero. Before the pump always happens, that is what always happens. So you want to buy it when the chart looks like shit and everybody's calling for bear market. That's when I want to be buying a lot of my cryptos. And guys, Bitcoin Cash right here, Bitcoin Cash is almost in the same boat with EOS, but Bitcoin Cash has not gotten to its low that it got in the COVID sell-off. In the COVID sell-off, Bitcoin Cash actually got to just $140, which was very, very low. That was almost at the all-time low. That was where I believe the wheels were accumulating. This was when Bitcoin capitulated in 2018. Right now we're at $277. It has set a low for the last 1 year. It has not gotten to this point in the last 1 year. Many people will say, oh, this is bearish. Why are you buying it? The price is going down. Bitcoin is going down. Guys, I believe in buying red candles and in selling the green candles. When the green candles come, everybody will start shouting, we're going to the moon, alt season, and that's when I'll be looking to take profit, guys. From where we are right now for Bitcoin Cash, if we can go back to where we were May 2021, you have almost a 500% gain on your profit. Just for us to get back to where we were in May 2021, you have almost a 500% gain on your initial investment. Bitcoin Cash actually got to as high as $1,600. Right now it's currently trading for less than $300. The next altcoin we'll be checking, guys, is Litecoin. Litecoin is said to be the silver of the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the gold. Many people say Litecoin is the silver, but you can see Litecoin right now just set a new low for the last 1 year. The last time Litecoin was this low was January 2028, and the time we had the sell-off in July 2021. This was when Bitcoin was actually at 29,000, and right now Litecoin is currently at $100. A lot of people are calling for Litecoin to go to $30-$40. They're like, that's why they will buy Litecoin. But as always, when people are calling for bear market, when people are saying we're in a bear market, that's where I believe we're going to be bullish, guys. I'm not saying people are always going to be wrong. There's sometimes people will make correct calls. When I'm saying people, I'm saying the general sentiment in the market. But at the extreme of every market, that's at the extreme of the bear market and at the extreme of the bull market, the crowd is always wrong. And Litecoin right now is currently trading for around $100. If it goes back to where it was at May 2021, that's over a 300% increase on your initial investment. Now the next altcoins, guys, we'll be checking is Dash. Dash is almost in the same boat with Bitcoin Cash, whereas it has actually almost set a new all-time low. The last time Dash was this low was when we had the crash early January. So right now it just looks as if Dash is coming back to test support. From the current price point for Dash right now, if you get some Dash for your portfolio, you'll be up over 450% if Dash goes back to its May 2021 high. And guys, I'll be expecting higher prices for Dash. I'm expecting Dash to go to almost $1,000. That will be where I'll be taking profit. You might be wondering, how will all these crazy valuations come into play, guys. When alt season comes, all these altcoins actually go crazy in 30 days or less. Some of them will just take 40 days, and some of them will go 10x, 20x, 40x in that short period of time. It has happened so many times in the crypto market, and this time is not going to be different. Some people always say, oh, this time is going to be different, yada yada yada. Guys, if all these altcoins could go that crazy when Bitcoin was just at 20,000, just imagine, just put on your imaginative cap and imagine what these altcoins would do now that Bitcoin is at 37,000 and Bitcoin is probably going to go to 55, 58,000 region. If they could do that crazy thing at 20,000, I'm expecting crazy alt season when Bitcoin is in 55, 58,000 dollars. Now the next altcoin, guys, we'll be checking. This is our altcoin review. Expecting alt season is Walton Chain. Now Walton Chain is another altcoin I made a video on. I've told you my price predictions. Right now Walton Chain just set a new all-time low in the last 1 year, which is very crazy. A lot of people want to be selling their coins. You can see there's no volume right here on Walton Chain. That's why I believe people at some point in time in the future will soon start flipping their Ethereum and their Bitcoin for all these altcoins, and when they start doing that, they'll drive the price up. It's just basic law of supply and demand. And if you get some Walton Chain right now and it goes back to its May 2021 highs, you have over 600% return on your initial investment. We have almost the same story here for Walton Chain. Walton Chain is another crypto, just like Walton Chain. They almost have the same name, almost have the same price action. You can see right here, they've almost set a new all-time low. If you get some for yourself right now, we're going back to the 2021 high, you have over 600% return on your initial investment. You can see most of these altcoins, they look really cheap right now. Some people will say they look really expensive. Those people that are saying they look expensive are people that bought the top right here, or they bought the top right here expecting higher prices. But if you're getting in right here before people that bought the top in May 2021, or people that bought the top when Bitcoin was topping in November, you're already up over 300%. Sometimes you're already up over 600%. Before those guys break even, you're already up. So the whole trick is to buy when the market is red and to sell when we have all those green candles. XRP is another important crypto we have been watching. I want to show you something important that's always happened with XRP price chart. XRP might look as if it is going very sideways for a very long time, but when the pump happens in the XRP, it happens very fast and very violently. At the point of recording of this video, XRP is trading for 68 cents, less than $1. But guys, I want to show you what happened in the last XRP Bull Run. You could see right here that XRP was going flat for a very long time. At that point in time, 2017, 2018, the whole crypto market was going on a moon mission, but XRP was not joining them. And guess what XRP did, guys? In the space of 26 days, it took XRP just 26 days to go over 1,200%. So $1,000 right here in just the space of 26 days would have earned you over $12,000. That's the magic of alt season, and that's what will happen with all these other cryptos that we're talking about. The last crypto we're going to talk about in this video, guys, is Aion. Aion is one of those cryptos that went to astronomical heights in 2017, 2018. It got to as high as $11, which is very crazy if you think about it in hindsight right now. But Aion is currently trading for just 7 cents right now. Let's just zoom out, because I mean, if we start saying we're going to go into $11, that's a very long mission. But guys, it's very, very possible. We have seen way crazier things in crypto. If it can come down from $11 to the current price position where it is, I believe it can go back to $11 in the nearest future. Right now, if Aion can go back to his May 2021 high, Aion will be up over 800%. Now, this sounds so crazy. Many people don't want to buy all these coins when they are low, and when you tell them to buy it, you sound like a crazy person, because I mean, why shouldn't you get Bitcoin and Ethereum? Those ones have shown that when the crash is happening, they don't really crash as well as these altcoins. But I believe you want to do what the opposite of the crowd is doing. So when the retail crowd, all of them start running to all these altcoins, that is when you want to be selling into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you want to be selling into USD. That's where you want to be taking profit right here. I don't even want to phantom the price movement that Aion will have to do to get back to its all-time high. For Aion to get back to where it was for Aion to get back to where it was in April 2018, Aion will have to go up over 54x, and for it to go back to its all-time high, which is very crazy to think about, which is very, very possible in crypto, Aion will go up over 165x. Your $1,000 will turn to $165,000. I don't know how possible this will be, but guys, it's crypto. Everything is possible. We have seen way crazier things than this happening in crypto. And guys, if you want to check out how I see the market and how I learned all what I'm showing you in these videos, guys, this is a course I made for you guys. It's called Crypto Made Easy. Learn to make millions trading and investing in cryptocurrency. I talk about cryptocurrency, inflation, how it affects you. I give you important crypto websites. I introduce you to trading and investing, introduction to crypto charts and analysis if you want to learn how to read crypto charts and analysis for yourself, how to buy on exchanges. I showed you how to manage your portfolio and how to track your coins. I showed you how you can use mass to get huge profits in your portfolio. I showed you the money flow in crypto and different phases of a market cycle. You can check out this course. I'll put a link in the description. If you want to follow me on all social media platforms, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and on YouTube, it's Mr. Legend Crypto. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop new videos. See you guys next time. Bye.